Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use anonymous browsing on Reddit. First, you will need to open the Reddit app. Next, you are going to tap on the avatar or profile pic in the top left-hand corner. Then, right below your name on Reddit, you are going to tap on the arrow. Then you will see the option Anonymous Browsing. You are going to tap on that. And from here, you are now anonymous. You can simply tap on OK. And now you'll be able to use Reddit in the anonymous browsing feature. And once you want to close out of anonymous, you'll simply tap on the avatar in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Leave Anonymous Browsing. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.